You coming up, Lex? Oh, he's bringing the drone through. What you see, Jay? Everybody.
No, won't let me go side to side.
That's sick. Ah, shit. Damn.
It won't let me take the sensors off.
Did I just break it?
No, it's a wing. Well, I mean, I don't know yet.
Alright, so I actually did end up breaking the drone that day. If you were, you know, on your toes in suspense. Or on your heels in suspense, I don't know. Alright, but anyways, I broke it, but I got a new one the next day because I was going to Horshoe Bend with my girlfriend. And yeah, here's that footage. Check it out, and then after, we're gonna go redeem ourselves. I'm flying the drone on the roof. Even though, like, the drone can go on the roof, we just have to be on the roof, and the drone has to get us on the roof. Like, you'll see.
This is the most you've worked out in months.
I can't believe you just said that on camera.
You think this is a tourist setup, or these rocks are always here?
Right?
Aaron, you ready to see the bend? Man's as cool as a cucumber on that ledge.
New toy.
Wide angle makes me.
Oh, this angle looks cool because the rocks are all. Just go right there, don't go too far.
I'm gonna tell if it's recording now. Oh, there we go.
It is?
Taking pictures.
Don't go too far. What are you doing?
Getting it away from people so they don't have to hear it.
Which one you got?
Oh, that drone right there.
Yeah, I'm talking. Which one is it?
Oh, right there. Oh, Mavic Mini.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I'm about to do mine. I was like, I don't want to have an accident with you, so.
Oh, which one?
I got the Mavic Pro.
Mavic Pro.
Here.
Nice, man.
Cool.
It's gonna be worth it for sure.
Yeah. I guess
You been here before?
No, this is my first time on this side. I've been up on by Nevada because I live in Nevada. So in Nevada, this is the first time that I can fly.
I'm gonna do an Isaac Joel hand grab into the place. It's not working.
You're happy that it's good, huh? You didn't know it's gonna go all the way up there? Okay. Lex is coming back home. Okay. This is a good shot because I can see it. Did you have fun out there, Joni?
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Yeah.